My name is Ananda Paiva. I'm from Brazil and I'm studying Commercial Cookery at North Metro TAFE. Commercial Cookery is a course where you learn everything from how to hold a knife to how to work really as a cook, as a chef, under high pressure. I'm really happy because I'm studying here, and I was talking to my mother in Brazil and she was like, I think I'm going to study as well Commercial Cookery, and she's doing in Brazil a small course how to be a cook. It's really simple, but she's so proud when she sent me pictures wearing chef's uniform. She's like, I'm learning to be a chef like you. And I was talking to her mom, when I go back to Brazil, I really want to teach people how to start in the kitchen, give all the knowledge they have to at least get a job. And now she can help me because she's learning and she got the passion, all the love from me. And usually you get from your mother, and my mother got from me.